Welcome to the Mind Detective, where we explore the science of human behavior. Today, we're talking about the psychology of female orgasm. Orgasm is a complex physiological and psychological experience that can vary greatly from woman to woman. While there is no one-size-fits-all definition of orgasm, it is generally characterized by a series of involuntary muscle contractions in the pelvic region, accompanied by a pleasurable sensation. The psychology of female orgasm is influenced by a number of factors, including biology. Women's bodies are different from men's bodies, and this can affect how they experience orgasm. For example, the clitoris is a highly sensitive organ that is essential for female orgasm, while the penis is not. Experience. The more experience a woman has with sex, the more likely she is to be able to orgasm. This is because experience can help her learn what feels good to her and how to communicate her needs to her partner. Attitudes. A woman's attitudes about sex can also affect her ability to orgasm. For example, women who believe that sex is only for procreation may be less likely to orgasm than women who believe that sex is a pleasurable experience. Relationship. The quality of a woman's relationship with her partner can also affect her ability to orgasm. Women who feel comfortable and safe with their partners are more likely to be able to orgasm than women who feel stressed or anxious. It's important to remember that not all women will experience orgasm every time they have sex. This is perfectly normal. However, if you're concerned about your ability to orgasm, there are a number of things you can do to improve your chances. Here are a few tips. Explore your body. Get to know what feels good to you and how to stimulate yourself. Communicate with your partner. Tell your partner what you like and don't like. Be patient. It may take some time and practice to learn how to orgasm. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. The more you focus on orgasm, the harder it may be to achieve. Orgasm is a wonderful and pleasurable experience that can be enjoyed by women of all ages. By understanding the psychology of female orgasm, you can increase your chances of having a satisfying and fulfilling sex life. Here are some additional things to consider. Stress. Stress can have a negative impact on sexual function, including the ability to orgasm. If you're feeling stressed, try to find ways to relax and de-stress before sex. Alcohol and drugs. Alcohol and drugs can also interfere with sexual function. If you're planning on having sex, it's best to avoid alcohol and drugs. Medical conditions. Some medical conditions, such as diabetes and depression, can affect sexual function. If you have a medical condition, talk to your doctor about how it might be affecting your sex life. If you're still having trouble achieving orgasm, there are a number of resources available to help you. You can talk to your doctor, a therapist, or a sexologist. There are also a number of books and websites that can provide information and advice. Orgasm is an important part of sexual satisfaction for many women. By understanding the psychology of female orgasm, you can increase your chances of having a satisfying and fulfilling sex life. Thank you for watching The Mind Detective. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.